Every revolution begins with a question, and this one, it begins with how you ask. What if you did not need to know how to code to teach a machine? What if just a few examples were enough to shape intelligence itself? This is not the future, this is prompt engineering. And today we dive into one of its most powerful forms of prompt engineering, that is, few shot prompting. What is few shot prompting? In zero shot prompting, you simply ask and hope the model gets it. But few shot is different. It is show. Don't just tell. You give the AI two or three examples and then let it fill the rest. You are not commanding, you are teaching. Just like showing a student how to solve a math problem. Once they see the pattern, they can follow it. Few shot prompting is a pattern setting and it's the key to unlocking tailored intelligent response. Why it matters? Few shot prompting is powerful because it brings personalization, precision, and predictability. Instead of generic replies, you get answers your way. It's like having an assistant who thinks in your voice. With just few patterns, you unlock creative workflows that feel tailor made. That's the difference. That's the power. The structure of few shot prompt. A world class few shot prompt has three parts. One is instruction, second, demonstration, third, the target input. In instructions, you just tell AI what you want. For example, convert these commands into polite request. You are telling this to AI. In demonstration, you just give two or three examples of the format, tone, or logic you want. In the target input, end with a blank or Q for the model to finish the same pattern. How to use few shot prompting like a pro. Tips to master few shot prompting. Start with a clear instruction like convert text into X format or apply Y tone. Use the consistent formatting. If you use arrows, colons, or bold, repeat the style exactly. Show the ideal tone and voice. Especially, it is useful when you want to create creative or emotional outputs. Don't overload. Two or three examples is often enough. More examples is always not better. Better is better. When few shot works brilliantly. Few shot signs when you want the AI to sounds like you. It's perfect for tone, voice, reasoning, formatting, or any task where you want consistency, not just correctness. Some of the domain examples for when it will work better. In marketing, I would like to create a tagline for some of the brand names. Write a witty product tagline. I will give the brand name and tagline. I will give two examples and third one will be created by the AI. For example, brand soar less tag is because your partner deserves a good night's sleep. Second example, brand Beans Boss. Tagline take charge of your day, one cup at a time. Third line, brand Fit Snack. I will leave it blank. Then AI will give the answer for it. Just like this. In development, here I would like to generate error messages. Write clear error message. I will give the rule and message. I will give two examples. Third one will be given by AI. Rule and message. I will give the rule and the message for two examples. Rule password too short. Message password must be at least 8 characters. Second example, rule email blank. Message please enter your email address. Third, I will leave it as a blank. Rule username taken. Message it will be given by the AI. Just like this. In data analysis, I would like to generate KPI insights. I will provide data and insights for two examples. Third one will be provided by AI itself. Data sales up to 25%. Insight marketing campaign is boosting conversions. Second example data NPS down 10 points. Insight customer loyalty is declining. Review support workflows. Third example ad spend up 20%. CTR plot I will leave it as blank. AI will provide you the insights. This is the output. Where few shot can fail. But just like any tool, it's not perfect. Few shot fails when you use inconsistent examples. If you give too few samples for a complex task. If the task is more complex, you have to use the more examples. If it is very low, at the time it will fail. If you use it when the model already has strong built-in patterns like spelling or math. Examples. Prompt, write a job title. Developer, software engineer. Doctor is cardiologist. Banana. I will leave it as a blank. Here the model will fail. The few shot prompting can fail here. We'll look into some of the real world examples across different industries. Let's walk through how few shot prompting works in real world examples. In marketing, I would like to write a tagline as like earlier. Prompt, write tagline in a witty tone based on brand name. Eco Brush, Smile Sustainability. Sleep Tune, Better Nights Start Here. Hydrojet, I will leave it as blank. AI will give the output here, just like it. In development, to generate the error message, prompt, generate error message for user input rules. Invalid email format, please enter a valid email address. Password too short, password must be at least 8 characters long. File not selected, I will leave it as blank. AI will provide you the output here, just like this. In data analysis, summarize KPIs into human readable insights. Revenue up 10%, churn down 2%. Business growth is strong with increased retention. Website traffic flat, conversion down 5%. I will leave it as a blank and AI will give the output here, like it. Education, I would like to make textbooks into flashcards. Prompt, turn textbook content into flashcards. Photosynthesis converts sunlight into energy. Question, what is photosynthesis? Answer, it converts sunlight into energy. One more question, mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. AI will provide you the output here, like this. In coaching, to make negative things into positive. Prompt, reframe negative thoughts. I always fail. Every setback is a setup for comeback. I am not good enough. I am still growing into who I am becoming. I will never get this. This is the question which I asked to AI, and this is the output. When to use and avoid few shot prompts. Use few shot prompting when you want a specific voice or tone. You are building templates. You need the AI to follow your logic or pattern. Avoid it when you need hard logic chains and you are doing complex reasoning. When the task is too ambiguous for pattern to help. Some of the common mistakes to avoid. Mistakes, oh, there are few. Giving unclear or conflicting examples, inconsistent formats, not enough examples for complex tasks, forgetting to end with a prompt or open question. These are the few common mistakes. The more clarity you give, the more clarity you will get. Few shot prompting is like teaching with your own voice. It's not just asking. It's not about giving more information or examples. It is shaping the answer before it even begins by giving just enough to guide the system's intelligence. You are not writing code, you are writing patterns. And when those patterns are clear, the pattern that shapes how AI thinks, reason, and responds, the results feel human. If zero shot prompting is instant guessing, few shot is guided intelligence. In prompt engineering, zero shot is your hammer and few shot is your brush. And when used with precision, it feels like magic. Teach, guide, create, master few shot prompting. In the next video, we will go deeper into chain of thought prompting, where the model doesn't just answer, it thinks loud. If you learned something today, like, share, and subscribe because the language of the future starts here. Thank you for watching.